Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make animated text messages on your Android or iOS. First, we're going to go on Google and type iFake text messages. You're going to select the first option. Then you're going to select Chrome. Once you're there, you're going to make a conversation of your choice. I'm just making mine now. When you're finished, scroll down. I'm just rechecking to see if everything is okay. Then you're going to select create image. And now you're going to select download image. Select to save in downloads. Now we're going to go in background eraser. Select the image you just saved. Crop it to the dialog only. Now select auto and put it on the white background. Then we're going to save it. Now we're going to go on YouTube and search iMessage SFX. There's a lot on YouTube, so you can select any of your choice. Now we're going to go on Google and search GIF background. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation. Just save one. Then open CapCut. Select the GIF background. I'm just copying because it is way too short. Now we're going to select add overlay. We're going to select the image that we just removed the background of. You should drag it to the bottom. We're going to drag the overlay to the end of the clip. Then we're going to go to the first time frame and select the overlay, then select the keyframe button. We're going to move it 1 point to the right and click the button again. On the second mark, move the image upwards where you can see the first message. Do the same process for the rest of the messages at different time parts. But remember, only move the image upwards on the second mark. Once finished, add the FX sound that we screen recorded off YouTube, and we're going to apply it to all the messages that pops up. We're going to repeat the process, so just follow along. When you're finished applying the sound, we're going to save it, and then you can look at your results. Here is mine.